This is all the equipment necessary for this experiment. You will need vinegar, baking soda, a balloon or a glove, a funnel and a spoon, and a tray in case things get dirty.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, shall we start?
Yes. Put your gloves on first. Okay. So now we take the glove to start off with. We pour 2 to 3 teaspoons of
Baking soda.
baking soda inside of the glove. Ooh. In some cases you might need someone to help you, but this is... But I can't.
The glove should be alright. That should
Yes,
be okay.
for the balloons you need 2 people. For this, I can do this.
I think that's enough.
Yeah. This is enough. And now you put the glove on the... Yes, there we go.
Move the...
Move the funnel, moves. Now, move Sreoshi. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Oh. Whoa. Oh no. Yes. Yeah. This is why I recommend a tray in case things get dirty.
Ew.
The
Cool.
glove.
That one is... Look at Sreoshi. Look at it.
Yeah.
Looks like a hand
Yes.
waving you.
Hello.
Hello. Blown hand. Sreoshi, do you know what is inside?
Yes, what is inside?
Sreoshi, you can learn from Syon. Syon?
Sreoshi, due to this bicarbonate of soda mixed with the acidic vinegar, carbon dioxide has been made in this chemical reaction. Say carbon dioxide.
It's carbon dioxide.
It is a kind of gas, Sreoshi.
It's a gas. It is a gas. It is the same gas that we breathe out.
It looks like a balloon.
Yeah.
Hand balloon.
Yes.
Hello, hand balloon.
Hello.
It looks like saying hello to you, Mom. Say hello.
Yes.
So this one is done.
And now for the next one.
Okay. Keep it there. It's okay. You can use the other side.
Okay then. Now for this one, you will need two people. I'm just going to safely move this out of the way. Do not touch. Now I will take this blue balloon and put this funnel. Okay.
Funnel?
I'm going to put this funnel inside
Yeah,
of it.
it looks like a funnel. That's right, child.
This is a funnel, Sreoshi.
Yeah.
And now I'm going to do the exact same thing I did before. Put 2, what's it called?
Spoonful.
2 teaspoons full of baking soda.
Then,
it's not
what are you
going
going to do next?
Wait for it to go in.
It
Stuck. Anyway, once that has been done, twist for added protection. And now you're meant to... Oh!
Be careful. Twist it again.
Now you're going to have to... Ooh. You're going to need another person to help you with this.
Okay. I'm holding it.
That is me.
Okay.
I can help.
It's fit. Yes.
Okay, do you want the tray again?
For this one I've added less, so I don't think so.
Okay.
So, now, 3, 2, 1. Just untwist it. And the baking soda is pouring in. Whoa! Oh!
Hold it. Hold the bottle.
Yeah. I'm holding both the bottle and the balloon.
Balloon, you don't have to hold the balloon.
But, oh no.
Sreoshi, what is inside the balloon now? What is going inside the balloon?
I don't know.
I told you before. Remember?
Like,
It was a kind of.
Carbon
It was a kind of
dioxide.
gas.
It was a gas.
Yeah, it is a kind
this
of.
is the biggest balloon we ever
It's a
made.
kind of gas, and what is the name of the gas, Syon?
The name of the gas is carbon dioxide. Did you know that this gas is the same gas that we breathe out?
Yeah. And why did that happen?
Sorry. There we go.
Now,
Right on.
now the other balloon.
Why did that happen?
It happened because bicarbonate of soda reacts very violently with the bicarbonate of soda reacts very violently with
Sreoshi,
the
listen.
acid.
Don't pop this balloon this time.
Sreoshi, can you listen? Yeah, we have to listen. What is Syon
I have to
explaining?
take my gloves off for this.
Okay.
There you go.
So
There.
vinegar and soda bicarbonate.
Bicarbonate of soda. They react very violently together to form carbon dioxide.
And what do you call that reaction?
A chemical reaction.
A chemical reaction. That's right.
Don't pop it, Syon.
Well done. Give it to Sreoshi, please.
Yeah.
Well done, both of you. Thank you.
This experiment, well, you can use this experiment in a party actually to blow all the balloons without wasting any energy.
That's a great idea.
Yes, I wouldn't recommend it because
But maybe
you need
not.
lots of vinegar and lots of bicarbonate of soda.
You can play